In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. You need to begin by accessing Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in Devcheck. Following that, just install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, select Open. Thanks to this free app, you can find out all the information about your Xiaomi's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!